In this video, I'll show you how you can use SQL Select to find specific records with certain values. So the first thing I want to do here with the data I've opened here, that is the sample data that comes from MapInfo Pro, I'll open up the SQL window. So from the table tab, I'm going to use the SQL dropdown. I'm going to open up the SQL window. I'm just going to enlarge this a bit. So the first thing I need to specify is what table I want to query. And I can do that by picking the table from a drop-down list. Next, I need to specify a condition. I do that by entering a new line, and then from the list of words up here, I can just click on the where to actually add that into the field below. Next thing, I need to specify the column. I can type that. Or I can even select it from my drop down here that will list all the columns in the selected table. Next, I need to specify that the value I'm looking for should be equal to. And here I can specify the value I'm looking for. In this case, I'm looking for Madison Driveway Northwest. Notice that I specified the value in quotes because the column here is a string column. I don't want to see the result in a browser. I just want to add it to my map, maybe using a specific color. In this case, let's pick a red color here. And I want to zoom to the extent of my query. Let's try to run this to see if I find any matches. And here you can see the records that were found matching the condition I specified here. I also just want to highlight, if you use the drop down here to select a column, you notice that the column is going to be prefixed with the table name. If you do use this option instead and enter the equal to operator, you'll be able to use the value drop down here to look for specific values. So here you can see all the values in the table shown. And if you're looking for a specific one, you can filter the list so that you only get the ones you're looking for. So in this case, I can just now pick Drive Northwest and actually get that inserted into my condition. Next thing, you might want to actually look for multiple values, right? So maybe it's not just Madison Driveway. You're also looking for Jefferson Driveway, maybe. So let's add another condition here. One way of doing it is you just specify all name equals to Jefferson Drive Southwest. Well, this gets a bit tricky as soon as you have more than two values, right? Because it can be a very long expression. So it's actually better to use a different operator. So instead of using the equal to, you can use the in operator. And that will compare the values in the column to a list of values, a comma separated list of values. So I'll just add like this, and then I'll add an additional road name here. And I can run this again to see the result.